Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, so today I have this new challenge that I want to share with you guys that I've been actually testing since April 4th. No, not April 4th, since April of last year. And I call it the Beat the SPY challenge. And I just want to go ahead and share with you guys my overall return. And pretty much what I do is I invest $100 bi-weekly. And I put 80%, which is $80, into the S&P 500, and then I put 10% into the SPXL, which is the S&P 500 3-time leverage, and then I put the other $10 in the SPYG, which is the S&P growth. So guys, I just want to go over the details with you guys. I started in, like I said, last year April, and we can go ahead and check out the return. So I mean, there was a time where I did put a little bit more money in towards the end of the year, but guys, this is the amount of return I've gotten on my total money for the SPY by averaging in bi-weekly. So I did a total of 8%. So every week I'll put $80 in. No, every 2 weeks I'll put $80 into this. So as you can see, the SPY did 127% return. I mean, not 27% return. Yeah, I'm losing it, guys. 27% return last year. So while I was the whole time, I was just putting money in, $80. And, you know, took a dip here, it went up, put money in. So I was just averaging in. So whether it was lower, it was higher, I didn't care what time of the day it was or what the market was doing. I just was consistent with my routine at just $80, you know, bi-weekly every time I got the chance to do so. So guys, as you can see, I did an average of 8.68%, which is $270. And the S&P 500 is pretty much the safest, one of the safest investment you can do, because you're buying the overall market, the overall best sector of the market. And now I'm gonna go over the SPXL. As you can see here, guys, the SPXL for my portfolio, I have a total of $565 in there. And I did an average of return of 34% return on my money. So that's actually pretty good, guys. But this is a 3-time leverage. Understand that, guys. It is a 3-time leverage, guys. So if the market goes up 10% regularly, like the SPY go up 10%, this will go up 30%. If it goes down 10%, this will go down. It's supposed to go down 30%. But in reality, it goes down more because it's leverage. It's actually a lot harder on the downside. For some reason, it's weird. But going up is 3 times. Going down, it's supposed to be 3 times, but it goes maybe like 4. It's weird. But guys, this is why I approach this with safety, and I don't just go all the way in. I try to be a little careful, you know, $10 here or there and stuff like that. So it won't really hurt me if the market would have tanked 20-30%. It won't really affect my overall portfolio. So as you can see, just a little bit amount, and I did 34% on this return. If I was a little bit more aggressive and I would have done $1,000, I would have got, you know, close to $300. So this is the SPXL. It's more risky, but that's why I don't put as much money into it. And you know, so now SPYG. Yeah, SPYG. I don't know why it didn't show up. But yeah, so SPYG is over here, and as you can see, it did 14% return for the year for me, as I was averaging in. So whether it was, you know, up, down, you know, it's still a overall uptrend, even when it took a big dip here. But I was just constantly investing into it, guys. As you can see, I got 40, you know, $47, 14, you know, percent return, which is actually pretty good. But this is like the second safest after the SPY, SPY. So this is my approach to it, guys. So let me give it to you in the order that I do it. First, what I do is, you know, I put $80 into this, and then I go to SPXL. I put $10 into this, and then I go to SPYG, and then I put another $10 into this, guys. This is how I do it on a bi-weekly basis, as far as I did it to test something out starting last April. I'm going to be doing this challenge again to see what we get this year. We are expecting a they saying that it's going to be pretty challenging for Q1 and Q2 for this year. So be aware the market might be a little volatile, so it might be a good time to actually buy, but that's why you have to consistently average in. So guys, the fact that this challenge is done for the year, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my SPXL profit, or maybe the whole return. Yeah, I'm gonna actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my whole SPXL, I'm gonna dump it into the SPY, and then I'm gonna leave my SPYG, because this one is the most risky one. So I'm only gonna take out the SPXL out and dump it into the regular SPY. I'm gonna leave the SPYG since the risk is not that bad for that one. So that's my plan. I'm gonna start this up again for this year. For those of you who want to start with me, you can start now or whatever you get paid. Usually on a bi-weekly basis, most people get paid. So we can start this challenge and see how much we get returned. Overall, guys, when I calculated all the percentage that I've gotten back, my portfolio actually did an average of 18% return. The SPY overall did 27%, but that's if you actually put your money exactly in January of the beginning of last year to the end of the year. So, but while I averaged in, I was still able to get 18% because my whole total fund wasn't initially invested in the beginning. So this is my way of actually beating the SPY in a way of taking advantage of the market by adding a little bit of leverage, a little bit of medium risk, a little bit of high risk, a little bit of low risk. So guys, this is my way of attacking the market and also preserving my capital, which is what everybody needs to do, is preserve your capital. And this can actually be a way to preserve your emergency fund. You could find a way to build an emergency fund, but by taking low risk with it, as far as using the SPY, maybe a little bit, sprinkle a little bit of SPXL, a little bit of SPYG, guys. So this is my challenge. It's called the Beat the SPY challenge. So I'm gonna start this all over again this year, and for you guys who want to do it with me, we can do it together and we can calculate our percentage at the end of the year. So let's go. I will give you guys an update every single week on Fridays. So tune in so we can share our results together and see how we're doing. Thank you. See you guys next time. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.